Hi, engineers. How are you? I just want to do a quick little video to kind of go through a little bit more through this engineer design process. And I want to show you, talk about each of the ones that we're going to be doing this week. So we're really focusing on that ask. We came up with our problem. Our problem was we've got to design a new kind of climbing playground equipment for a park down in Somerset, Kentucky. So I want you to be asking some questions about your design or your task. So I already gave you the problem. And now you need to be asking questions and thinking about problems that might come up as you're designing it, what you might need to do, how high it should be, what it should look like. So start thinking and asking some questions, okay? Next step, imagine what the end result might look like. So you're going to kind of be thinking about it in your head. What do you think it's going to look like? What would you like it to look like? Because you are the designer, you are the engineer. Now you're going to be planning out the process. So throughout the week, we're going to do each of these stages on a different day. If you do want to do it all in one day, that's fine too. Just make sure you don't forget any of the steps. When you plan it out, I'd like for you to draw a little sketch or a little drawing in your composition notebook. Put some ideas down on that paper of things that you'd like to include in it. Don't forget what materials you need to use. Then the next step will be creating it. Create your design, your task using the plan you created. So you got to only use the pipe cleaners and the foil, no tape, no glue, just those materials to create your new playground equipment. Finally, I do want you to take a step back from it and take a break from it and then come back to it and try to improve your design to make it a little bit better. It does say if needed, because you might think, you know what, this is really pretty good. I don't know that there could be any problems. But talk it through with another person, because another big part of it is using your mouth and collaborating with others and saying, well, what do you think? Do you think it's safe enough? Do you think the kids would think it looks good and fun, like they're going to be drawn to it and they want to come play on it? Is there anything I could add to make it a little bit more exciting? So you really want to think about some of those questions and see if there's any way that you can improve it. Okay. When you finish this project this week, I do want you to upload into Class Dojo. There's a video link for that Friday, and record a little video of yourself sharing your model, telling us about how you made it, what the kids would do on it, and maybe even some things that you had improved to make it a little better, to make it safer, to make it look a little more interesting. So you can tell us all about your model and your experience this week as an engineer. All right. Have fun creating, boys and girls.